It happens to all of us. It's 1 a.m. and you're wipe coding and you have the lo-fi girl in the background. And you're about to finalize your project and push it to GitHub. Then this happens out of nowhere. Luckily, there's a super easy fix we can implement right now, and we should get our Google Antigravity back up and running in less than 5 minutes. Just follow my instructions on the screen and I'll get you back to wipe coding in no time. Come on. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is going to be to kill the zombie processes, and we're gonna hit Windows and R at the same time. Once you're on this black screen, I want you to type exactly what you see on the screen right about now. And if you're feeling lazy, all the commands I use in this video are also going to be in the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste it basically. Hit enter, and that's going to kill every anti-gravity process in the background. Now we need to clear the temporary caches. So what you're going to do, you're going to press Windows and R keys simultaneously again, and you're going to type the thing you see on the screen right now. So I'm going to hit enter, which will bring us to the cached folders, and we're gonna find logs. We're gonna delete this folder. We're gonna move on to the next folder, which is cached data. So press C a couple of times until you see cached data. Same thing, delete it. It's perfectly safe. Your projects won't be affected. This is just gonna give you a clean slate on anti-gravity. Now we're gonna go to cache. It's on the top, just cache, nothing else, just cache. And we're going to delete that as well. Now we're going to go to GPU cache. We're going to delete this as well. And one more time, we're going to go to code cache, which is here, and we're going to delete this too. And finally, we're going to go to crash path and going to delete this too. Once again, this is all safe, no problems at all. It should be getting a lot better now, but we're not done yet. What we're going to do now, we're going to click on anti-gravity, our agent menu. If you're not seeing the agent menu right here, you can click Control Alt and B on Windows, or CMD plus Option plus B on a MacBook. Alright, navigate to 3 dots on the upper right corner, click Additional Options, and find MCP servers. On the drop down menu, you'll find the MCP servers you have installed. So go one by one, try to disable them. I have no MCP servers installed, that's why I'm not seeing any right here. But if you do have them, go ahead and actually disable them. Now to the final step. If your anti-gravity is also broken by the latest update, there's an easy way to fix it. So we go ahead and launch a window and Google search, type in anti-gravity Google releases and hit enter. Click on the first one. Well, you'll see a bunch of versions going all the way back, but the one I found to be working most stable is 1.19.5, which has been working flawlessly for me in the last couple of weeks. So I just uninstalled my 1.22.2 and I downgraded to 1.19.5. And that's about it. I think you should be able to use your anti-gravity with no problems right now. And if you got any value from this video, please consider subscribing and share this video with someone who might need it. More importantly, let me know if these steps worked out for you in the comments below. Now go build something amazing.